Following complaints about the quality of food government was distributing to homes in Kampala, the Ugandan National Bureau of Standards conducted quality tests to ascertain the validity of these complaints. However, after 1 week of working with the Prime Minister's office, UNBS Executive Director Ben Manyindo says so far 63 tons of maize flour and 41 tons of beans have been rejected after they failed to pass the quality tests. Some of the food was donated by well-wishers.
We have had challenges with the beans, especially. The beans we have had challenges. I think they are telling us because of the seasons and all that, the type of beans on the market is not good. So we have had those challenges, and I think for the last 2 days, that's where the challenge was. We have actually rejected many. They have to go back and sort these beans and bring them back for verification.
It is now about 3 weeks since Prime Minister Uganda launched the food distribution in Kampala. However, so far only 1 out of the 5 divisions of Kampala have been fully covered, raising anxiety among the population who are in dire need of the food relief.
At the beginning of the exercise, there were arrests with the accounting officers, the permanent secretary, commissioner disaster, and that arrest, number one, delayed the issuance of the local purchase order to the companies which are meant to supply food. Number two, let us also acknowledge that when the process began, there was an outcry, which we also want to confirm that some of the suppliers who had been given the LPOs, number one, supplied fake food.
Initially, there was a challenge of getting adequate supplies, especially the beans. The beans, yes, the portion was enough, but the beans were not adequate. But we have understood why there was that challenge, and we have sorted it out. We have increased the number of suppliers.
Some political leaders in Kampala have called upon the population to remain calm and avoid politicizing the issue of food distribution.
Because people need food. People don't need to see me on TV talking, castigating government's failure. You know, people want solutions. People want food. So bring whatever solutions you have here. Bring them to the center. Let us see how we can complement each other.
Over 1.5 million people in Kampala metropolitan area are projected to benefit from the ongoing food distribution. Sam Poza, NTV Weekend Edition.